This How to 1 Minute will show you how to import external images in WordPress. If you added bunch of photos from outside like Blogger or Unsplash, Google Drive or anything else, and now you want to import all of these external photos at once, follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. I'm going to my media library, and here you will get all of your internal photos you uploaded. And to import external photos to your media library, first of all, we want to install and activate a plugin. To do that, hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here auto upload images and search for it. And this is the plugin we are going to use. So install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, it's time to import all external images. To do that, I'm going to my post section, and now we will edit our all photos at the same time. If you have thousands of posts, then click on screen options, number of items per page. Here type 999 and click on apply. And then in the single page, you will get 999 posts. Now all you have to need, just click on select all to select all of your posts, and click on bulk actions, select edit, click on apply, and here all you have to need, just click on update. And it may take some time to update all posts at once. Once done, if you have more than 999 posts, then here scroll down and go to the next page and do the same process. Once done, I'm going to my media library, and as you can see, all of my external images have been successfully imported to my media library. This is how we can import external images in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.